Hello students, welcome to e-classes of P.N. Amarse High School. We will continue with our chapter number 7, fraction.
Question number 6 of exercise 7.1. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. A part of question number 6. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? B part of question number 6. What part of a sandwich will each boy receive? Students, here what is given in the question is that 3 boys shared the lunch, from which one boy has bought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetable and one of jam. Now they have to share the sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share. Here first we have to find out how will Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person will get the equal share, and next is what part of sandwiches which will each boy receive. Now solution for question number 6. Here in A part we have to find out how will Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person will get an equal share. So the answer is Arya has divided the sandwich into 3 equal parts, so each person will get 1 part. Now in B part of question number 6, it was asked as what part of sandwich will each boy receive. Here, as I explained you earlier, the total parts we have to write as denominator. So here the sandwich is divided into 3 parts, so denominator is 3 and each person will receive 1 part. So each boy receive 1/3 part, that is required fraction is 1/3. Now question number 7. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Now here what is given in the question is that Kanchan has to dye 30 dresses. From that she has dyed 20 dresses and we have to find out what fraction of dresses has she finished. Solution for question number 7. Total number of dresses Kanchan has to dye is equals to 30. It is given in the question. And number of dresses she has finished is equals to 20. It's also mentioned in the question. Now we have to find out the required fraction of the dresses which she has finished. So total we will write as denominator. So here total is 30. So we will write here 30 as denominator and 20 we will write as numerator. Now here 0, 0 we will cut. So the required fraction is 2/3. Question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Solution for question number 8. First we have to write down the natural numbers from 2 to 12. So the natural numbers from 2 to 12 are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the total number of natural numbers are 11. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 natural numbers are there. Then we have to find out the total of prime numbers. Here you can see 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11 are prime numbers. So the number of prime numbers are 5. So here we have to find out the fraction of prime numbers. So the required fraction is 5/11. Students, try to solve question number 9 and 10 by yourself. Now question number 11. Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? Students, here Christine received a CD player for her birthday and she buys 3 CDs and she gets 5 CDs as a gift. Now we have to find out the fraction of her total CDs she buy and the fraction of the CDs she received as a gift. Now solution for question number 11. Number of CDs Christine bought from the market is equals to 3. It's given in the question. And number of CDs received as gifts is equals to 5. That is also given in the question. So now total number of CDs Christine have. We have to add this 3 and 5. By adding 3 and 5 we will get 8. Total number of CDs Christine have is 8. Now here we have to find out the fraction of her total CDs she buy. So the fraction of CD she bought is 3 by 8. Here in denominator we will write total number of CDs and in the numerator we will write the number of CDs she bought. So the fraction of CD she bought is 3 by 8. And next we have to find out the fraction of her total CDs she received as gift. So the fraction of CD received as gifts is equals to 5 by 8. Here also in the denominator we will write 8 as the total number of CDs are 8 and in the numerator we will write 5. The number of CDs she received as gift is equals to 5. So here in the numerator we will write 5. So the fraction of CD received as gifts is 5 by 8. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.